Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what your phone is doing when you're not using it? Most people think that once they lock their phone and turn off the screen, everything stops running. But that's not actually the case. Even when your phone is sitting in your pocket, various apps and services continue working in the background. Some of these services collect information about how you use your phone, which apps you open, and other activity that helps personalize services and ads. Over time, these background processes can also use battery power, mobile data, and system resources. In today's video, I'll show you a few important privacy settings that you can review and disable if you prefer to share less data, reduce background activity, and potentially improve battery life. So let's get started. First, open the main settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Google. Next, tap on All Services. After that, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Here, tap on Usage and Diagnostics. This feature helps Google improve Android by sending information about how your device and apps are being used. If you'd rather keep this data on your device, simply turn this option off. Once you've done that, tap the back button. Still under the Privacy and Security section, look for Personalize using shared data and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of apps and services that may use shared data to personalize your experience. The list may look different on your phone depending on your device, Android version, and installed apps. For example, you might see one source, several sources, or completely different apps than the ones shown on my screen. Take a moment to review everything listed here. If you don't want these apps and services using shared data for personalization, you can turn them off one by one. Disabling unnecessary personalization settings can help reduce the amount of information being shared and may also reduce some background activity on your device. Now let's move on to another important privacy setting. Go back in Privacy and Security section, tap on Ads. This area controls how advertising works on your device. Many apps use an advertising identifier to show ads that are more relevant to your interests and activity. If you'd like to reduce personalized advertising, the first thing you can do is reset your advertising information. Scroll down slightly and tap on Reset Advertising ID, then confirm it by resetting the advertising ID. After that, tap on Delete Advertising ID and confirm it. When you delete it, apps will have less information available for personalized advertising purposes. This creates a new advertising identifier and disconnects previous advertising data from the new ID. Once completed, you've taken an important step toward improving your privacy and limiting ad personalization on your Android device. These settings only take a few minutes to review, but they can give you more control over what information is shared and how it's used. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Android tips and privacy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.